Hello everyone, today we're making soup, $10 soup to be exact. We got chicken, the cheapest chicken that was on the shelf, which was $5. Noodles, $1. Celery, $1. Carrots, $1. Then instead of buying chicken broth, I really got this off of somebody else. There was another channel, okay? So if I find her channel, I'll put it below. So instead of getting like 6 things of chicken broth, I got these little cubes. That's called the chicken little cubes. I call them chicken cubes. That's what they call it. That's it. So you would pick 4, maybe 5 of these, however much you want in them, and that's it. And then this don't go in the soup, but you can't have soup without biscuits. So I got these $4. And first we're going to put our chicken, boil our chicken first and separate it, and I'll be right back. Okay, good morning. I gotta make this quick and fast. Please don't mind the voice because I got a little cold. So after I boiled the chicken, I wound up straightening it, which took a very long time. I tried straightening it with like a fork or like a knife like people usually do, but I guess I didn't boil it enough because it did not pull straight off like I thought it was. So I just wound up using my fingers. I'm sorry that I do not have better equipment because I would have showed y'all what I was doing, but I couldn't. And the way that my angles are set up, you really can't see it. But right now, I'm currently like just straightening the chicken. It still is all into pieces, and that's it. Be right back. Hello everyone, now we back, and I just got done straightening the chicken. Went to go put it into the broth, and the thing about the broth, I originally said I was putting 4 cubes in there. I wound up putting 8 because it was not tasting like broth at all. I put 8 cubes and some chicken seasoning that I showed y'all earlier. Now I'm cutting up the carrots, and I wound up cutting them in half because the whole ones, leaving it whole, I don't like it like that. So I just wound up cutting it in half. But if you like them whole, you can keep them whole. Or if you like the big carrots and like to chop them up into little circles, you can also do that. So after I got done in the carrots, which you can see here, I wound up going straight into the celery because that was my last ingredient. Well, not last. I still got to do noodles. But I only took 4 things of the celery off, and I wound up cutting them into like little dices. I would have preferred more celery, but my husband always complained about vegetables, so I just use 4. If you want to use more, you can use more. You can use the whole bag. I would have preferred the whole bag. But after the celery, just wind up putting that into the chicken broth. As soon as the celery is done, I always put it into a pot, let it simmer for about 30 minutes before I go on and add the noodles. And then once I add the noodles, I know my chicken noodle soup is almost done. I stir it until the noodles is completely cooked through, and I put it in a bowl, and that's my chicken noodle soup. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please watch, like, and subscribe. Comment below, and we'll see you for my next video. Thank you.